Hey everybody, it's Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Happy Thanksgiving! This is a fun sneak peek video that we're going to share some fun things for you. There'll be some promo codes, there'll be some sneak peeks, there'll be some information you definitely want to know about. We are going to open some things that are inside this tote, so stay tuned. Alright, first off, since you're watching this video, it is active right now. You can do early Black Friday shopping on hookedonpickin.com. All right, so our Black Friday shopping is going to be starting now all the way through Friday and through Saturday. You're going to be able to get 30% off on the hookedonpickin.com website. Hookedonpickin.com, 30% off anything that's in the online store. All right, and then these items that you see in front of us, oh, I should probably tell you how you get the 30% off. Thanks is the promo code. Thanks is the promo code. Just type in thanks when you check out. If you do not type in the thanks, then sadly you don't get the 30% off. So make sure you type in the thanks. You'll get 30% off your entire cart. And so that'll be really fun. Even my reseller helps are available at that 30% off discount code. I very rarely do a high discount code like that, 30% off. So definitely take advantage of it. It'll be from right now all the way through Friday and Saturday for that kind of Black Friday shopping for you guys. All right, the next thing I want to show you is I've got all these fun things in front of us. These will be on Friday's live auction. Yes, I know it's the day after Thanksgiving and you're thinking, will the Hookses be on vacation? Nope, we're going to be right here with you guys. We'll be doing a live Friday fire sale and we'll have all of these items actually on there. You can email us as much as you want, but we'll be eating turkey, so we will not respond to those emails, and the only way you'll see these items is to attend our noon live auction that will be on Friday. So it'll be noon Central Standard Time, our normal time for our Friday auctions. There's also some items here that are going to be on the Friday fire sale, and of course you love your longer burgers, so we're definitely going to have some longer burgers. You guys want to see inside some of these things? Let's go ahead and check it out. So we're going to look at some of what's in here. These will all be on Friday's auction. Just a reminder, what is all this? It's like a little... just a reminder, you can also find our online auction, which is currently active right now. We have about 90 to 100 items on our online auction that you can bid on. If you can't attend the live one, we still have an online auction that you can participate in, seeing a lot of fun things. We've got some things already on the online auction, and that ends at 11 o'clock. Friday Central Standard Time, 11 o'clock Friday, which is an hour prior to your live one. So you can bid away electronically, and then you'll have an hour break where you can take a rest, and then you can bid away on the live stream. And so you'll have two ways to be able to buy from us. And when you win your item for the online auction, you will get an invoice. Separate invoices for each item. We always reimburse extra shipping. Don't forget that promo code for hookedonpickin.com is 30% off. Thanks is the word you're going to type in. Thanks. And that way you'll be able to get all of that kind of fun stuff. And we'll be able to see a whole bunch more stuff. Look at all those trinkets. Look at these little Harry Potter spectacles. I need to try these Harry Potter spectacles on. I'm a wizard now. All right, so we've got some fun things inside this box. I think this moves too, doesn't it? Yeah. So there's a secret compartment there where you can hide all your goodies. Little latch. There we go. So I'm going to just move this out to the side so that we can see other things in here. What is this cat? I think it's a flower vase. You can put flowers or something in it because it's open. It's open in the back, so maybe just a decorative piece. He's cute though. I like him. And then we've also got this guy here, full of jewelry. Really nice, kind of cherry wood color. So remember, all of these items you will see on Friday's fire sale. You might even, sorry, not fire sale, auction, on Friday's auction. You might even see some on the online auction. So check that stuff out. Look at that. It's got a bunch of drawers. 3 layers of drawers on this guy. Oh, it pivots and spins on the base. Do you notice that? Isn't that cool? All right, and then we have some over here. I'm gonna move these couple of boxes. They are similar. I'm gonna move them down here. We'll open them and look in, see what they look like. Kitty Car Classics. Oh, look at that. Ooh, this is really heavy. It's kind of like it's a pedal car. Look. It's actually a pedal car. It's from, let me look. It's from Hallmark. Hallmark Galleries Kitty Car Classics. And look, when you look in there, look down here. Can you show that? I'm going to move it. It pedals. That's cool. Super fun. And it's really, really durable and heavy. All right, well, this one was a boat. I'm really curious to see what the other one is. Remember, go to hookedonpickin.com and you can find things on the online auction. I do know that we will put some of these Kitty Car Classics on the online auction, and so double check that. Remember, that ends at 11 o'clock Friday, so you definitely want to go and check that out right now and put your bids in. And bid high enough so you don't have to worry about being outbid. That's definitely the case there, because people can bid all the way up until that 11 o'clock mark, but then it automatically just ends. Ooh, what's this one? Another pedal car, whatever it is. Oh boy, that's cool. Look at that. And it pedals. That's the thing that I love, like when the wheels move. See that? That's cute, isn't it? I don't know why I think of Mickey Mouse when I see these colors. The red, the black, the yellow. I think of Mickey Mouse. So this is going to be a bunch of these kitty cars are going to be in the online auction. The 30% off notice. We'll go ahead and check out some more things in here. We got some longer burger baskets. This one has a little thing in the front of it. Ooh, what's this? The tin. Dainty cake flour tin. Let's see what's in there. Ooh, I can't even get it open. Hold on. Need some leverage. This one's going to be a mystery because I legit can't get it open. Probably going to have to give this to James and he'll get it open later. This is a creamer bowl. And I saw a matching box. Let's go check that out. Let's see what this one is. Sugar bowl. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Dishwasher, oven safe, freezer, microwave, longer burger pottery. That's cool. All right, what else we got? Ooh, what's in here? Little figurines. I love little boxes. Wow, that's heavy. Little pewter piece. How cool is that? Little girl praying. And then here's another one. Little steer. Guess that's what steer bowl. So this is just a sneak peek of what you're going to see. It's going to be this plus hundreds more items on our live auction on Friday. We got some brass pieces hidden in here. Candlesticks. And this is literally how we get the items. Oh, look, here's some more of those carousel horses. This is how we get them. So we're going to put them on the online auction. Just a reminder again, we won't get an email about these because we're going to be eating some turkey, and hopefully you guys are too. Hopefully you're coming out of your turkey coma at this point when you're watching this video. And you can run over to hookedonpickin.com and use that promo code THANKS to get 30% off the whole weekend. And then let's see what's in this box. This says The Art of Writing. The Art of Writing. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Look how fancy that is. It's a calligraphy set with all the different tips. It's got a little notepad in there. And then it's got the inkwell. Yeah, boy, that's cool. All right, that's a really fancy set. So if you got someone who loves to just write and do fancy things or crafty things, make sure they get that. All right, so join us on Friday at noon Central Standard Time for that live auction. But before that, you can run right now over to the hookedonpickin.com and go to the regular auction section and bid on things similar to this. Like I said, I think we're going to have some kitty cars on there, as well as many other things. We've got around 100 items already on the auction online site. That will end an hour prior to the live sale on Friday, so you can participate in both if you would like, and they don't overlap, which is a bonus. Just another reminder, because of Thanksgiving, again, happy Thanksgiving to you guys too, and I want you to get 30% off hookedonpickin.com, and so put in that promo code THANKS, 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 and you'll be able to get 30% off every single thing on the hookedonpickin.com website, and that will go all the way through Saturday. So it'll be this evening, the very beginning of the Black Friday sale, all the way through Saturday. So thanks so much for joining us, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.